Everybody, Robert Kinsman with the Krause Kinsman Law Firm. Welcome to the fall season here, which is underway. Holidays are coming up with Thanksgiving and Christmas. We hope you all are doing well and are staying safe, and we hope your health is as best as it can be. First, I want to say Happy Veterans Day, which just passed a couple days ago, to each and every one of you that served. You may be our clients, but we think about you every day in the sense of the sacrifice that you've given us, you've given this country, you've given to the people of this country to be free. We can't thank you enough for that. We can't thank you enough not only for hiring us to represent you, but we can't thank you enough for the entirety of your life's dedication to this country. And those family members of veterans, we can't thank you for your sacrifice either. I have family that served in the military, and so do a lot of people at our firm. And just traveling around for years at a time, maybe not knowing where you're headed next because of your spouse or your father or your mother that served, can certainly be a taxing time on those of you who've experienced it. And so we really appreciate you doing everything you can to keep this country safe, to keep this country what it is, and that is the greatest country in the world. So thank you so much to all the veterans, friends, family. We sincerely appreciate everything you have done for this country, and I hope that doesn't go unnoticed. Next thing, I always start usually with you are a client of Krause Kinsman. You're receiving this video message because you have hired Krause Kinsman to represent you in the Camp Lejeune litigation. Always, we can't thank you enough for that, and always we're working tirelessly to make this worthwhile for each and every one of you. So some of the things that have been going on around here, a lot of you have probably been receiving some type of outreach. It could just be to say hello, make sure none of your contact information has changed. We always want to make sure your phone number, address, email is up to date. It could be that we're reaching out to make sure you haven't received any additional or new medical treatment. We always want to know what facilities you're visiting, why you're visiting them, and in case we can enhance your claim here. Those of you who are filing on behalf of a loved one, we're reaching out to make sure that we know whether or not an estate has already been opened on behalf of the person that passed away due to the contamination at Camp Lejeune. So we go through what we call our family tree questionnaire. It does take about 20 minutes or so to go through, but we need that information because we do have to open an estate to file a claim on your behalf. We must open an estate to file a claim on you and your loved one's behalf. We have to do it. It's a rule. We need information about family members, where and when your loved one passed, whether or not probate has been opened. So be on the lookout for any types of calls from Krause Kinsman. Other people we may be reaching out to gather additional information. Maybe we need to verify some information with you. Maybe we need to gather some original information that we don't have. So always be on the lookout. Everything we do here, we're trying to enhance your experience and enhance the claim against the government for the water contamination at Camp Lejeune. So always have that in your mindset that we're hopefully doesn't feel like we're bugging you or annoying you. You can certainly let us know that, but we always want you to know that we are doing everything we can to enhance your claim and to make this a wonderful experience for you. Some things that have been going on in court. The government recently started producing documents related to Camp Lejeune, the who, what, where, why, and when. They have not, unfortunately, released everything. That just takes time in litigation. It can take multiple production of documents, and we continue to review what they have and make sure we have an understanding of things like the who knew what, when they knew it, where they knew it, how they knew it, and what document they may have created for us to understand those specific points. We need to know who the custodians of the documents are, so who actually possessed the documents or wrote the documents, drafted the documents, because we want to question them under oath. That's going to be a very important key piece of information in this case. of the who, what, where, why, and when. You'll probably start hearing me say that all the time: who, what, where, why, and when. So litigation is underway. And why is litigation underway? We think it'll enhance the value of the claims. I know a lot of you have seen the quick pay option that the government released. They have admitted that that is the low quick pay option, that we can continue to fight them and try to pull out as much compensation we can on all yours behalf, but it's going to take work, it's going to take time, and that's what we're here for. That's why you hired us. That's why we have a litigation team in place in the Eastern District of North Carolina, and that's why we do what we do. That's why we're lawyers. We like to fight to do what is right for our clients and do what's best for our clients. So that's where we're headed, reviewing documents, making new requests for documents, getting the government to admit or stipulate to certain things that'll enhance your case. On the second part of the litigation is we're in the process of retaining all the experts we need to prove this case. Could be experts about water modeling, could be experts about general causation, about the TC, PC, vinyl chloride, and benzene, the solvents, the key solvents that were in the water at Camp Lejeune. Could be about case-specific experts, like experts on leukemia or bladder cancer or kidney cancer. There's going to be a lot of cancers, or there is a lot of cancers involved with this case, but there's going to be a lot of experts to opine about each of them. We need to gear up for trial because trials push the parties together to see if we can resolve it, or if we can't resolve it, we are very confident that we can go win in trial. So this is the fun part for us as lawyers, is litigating. It's questioning, it's hiring experts, it's proving our case. This is what we do. This is why we're excited. This is why you hired us, is to make sure your claim does not sit on the sidelines. We are in the game. We are moving with other lawyers in the country to moving forward to make sure this case is everything that you hope it to be. We'll continue to work hard for you. Again, happy Veterans Day to all of you. We hope you had a memorable day where you remember the sacrifices you made along with those who you shared those experiences with. Not a day goes by where we don't think about you. So if you ever want to call us, chat with us, update your file, please let us know. Always be on the lookout for text messages from us, emails from us, and phone calls from us. We always want to know the most up-to-date information about you. So we hope all is well. Hang in there. Happy fall. I'll probably keep saying go Chiefs at the end of these videos, but happy Thanksgiving to each and every one of you upcoming. I'll see you again before Christmas, but happy holidays and all the holidays we celebrate in between. Thank you and have a wonderful week, month, and see you next time on one of these videos. Thanks.